Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. How do you talk about something that someone else said? Well, today we're going to learn how because today's lesson is about reported speech. I don't feel well. How is Daniel? He said that he didn't feel well. The first sentence is Daniel. He is using what we call direct speech. The sentence after "Where is Daniel" is what we call reported speech. This is talking about something that someone else said. Let's look at the first sentence again. I don't feel well. This is in the present simple tense. Now let's look at our reported speech. Reported speech usually uses the words said that. Reported speech is also in a different verb tense. Here it is in the past simple tense. Let's look at another example. Here is our direct speech sentence. Your car is so clean. Notice it's in the present simple tense. Here is our reported speech sentence. She said that my car was so clean. Again, we use the phrase said that, and we change the verb form to the past simple tense. Let's look at how to form a reported speech sentence. We start with the subject, then said that, then the subject again, or you can change this part to a pronoun, then the past simple tense, then the rest of the sentence. So if the direct speech is, I like the presentation, the reported speech would be, Julie, that's our subject, said that she, that's a pronoun for Julie, still the subject, the past simple tense, liked, and then the rest of the sentence, the presentation. Julie said that she liked the presentation. Another verb you can use in direct speech instead of said is told. But if you use told, it needs an object. For example, our direct speech is, I like the chocolate cake. Then when we're making our reported speech, we would say, Walter told me that he liked the chocolate cake. Me is the object of told because Walter was speaking to me. Or if the direct speech is, the teacher for your class is sick, the reported speech would be, he told us that the teacher for our class was sick. The verb tense in reported speech isn't always in the past simple form. We follow the rule that the reported speech verb goes back a tense. For example, if the direct speech is in the present continuous tense, the reported speech verb would be in the past continuous tense. For example, I am driving to work. This is direct speech in the present continuous tense. The reported speech would then be, he said that he was driving to work. We change the present continuous tense to the past continuous tense. Here's another example. Direct speech that uses the present perfect tense would use the past perfect tense in reported speech. For example, I have been out of the office for a week would become, she said that she has been out of the office for a week. There is an exception. If the direct speech is about something that is ongoing, we don't have to change the tense for the reported speech, although we can. For example, I'm busy for the next 2 hours. This is our direct speech. The reported speech would say, she said that she is busy for the next 2 hours. We keep the verb tense in the present simple tense because it is ongoing. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check out my other grammar and vocabulary videos on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.